Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our 7th class Maths Chapter 2 Fraction, Decimal and Rational Number Exercise 4, and we are going to see the solution of this exercise. And in the end of this video, you will have not a single doubt in this exercise 4. Believe me, I teach mathematics to the weak students and you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. Whatever confusion you have, it is going to be clear in this video. Okay, so let's start this exercise, and if you have any doubt or any confusion in any chapter, then you can go through the comment and you can write your doubt and I solve your doubts here. Okay, so let's start here. So the first question is that find the reciprocal of each of the following. So actually, you know, reciprocals means what? Reciprocals means nothing. In this one, like this is written 5 by 8. When it's talk about reciprocal, the 8 become upside and the 5th become downside, then it is like that, 8 by 5. This is only reciprocal. You have to change the number, like if it is given 2 by 3, then you have to write this number. If you say that write the reciprocal of 2 by 3, then you have to write 3 by 2 just here. So actually, you know, the first upper part is called numerator and the downward part is called denominator. So in the reciprocal, what will happen? This denominator become numerator and this numerator become denominator here. Simply nothing in this one. If it is like this is 4 by 2, this is numerator, this is denominator. So in this, what will happen? This denominator become numerator and this numerator become denominator. In this one, simply it will exchange. Okay, now so the first one become downwards, then second one become upwards. Simply if it is like this is 2 by 6, it become 6 by 2. It will change. Whatever the upper side, it become downside. Whatever in the down, it become upper side. Okay, this is the only reciprocal. Okay, now I hope you will understand the reciprocal. Now let's solve this one here. So these are the question which is very easy, nothing in this one. These are the very easy questions. So like this reciprocal of 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means that this is a numerator, this is denominator. So numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. So this is 5 by 8, it become 8 by 5. Just change this. Whatever the downwards, it become upwards, and whatever in the up, it's become down. Okay, now this is our reciprocals. Okay, now this is a 8 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of this? This will be 7 by 8. Okay, simply nothing. You have to change. If it is 8 in up, put in the down, and the 7 in the down, put it in the up. Okay, simply this 13 is up, put the 13 into down, this 7 in the down, put it up. Okay, reciprocal means it is totally going to be changed. Okay, now this is 3 by 4, it become 4 by 3. This is the only reciprocal. Simply, I hope you will understand why they are teaching you reciprocal, because when you're going to find in the division, it is very helpful to you. Okay, that's why they are teaching reciprocal. It's over. Now let's see here. So here you will get uses of reciprocal. So this is a division. Okay, so here we are going to solve the division fractions. So in previous video we see the multiplications. Right now we are going to discuss about the division. Okay, so how we can do this one? Simply this division sign you are looking, you have to change this division into multiplication, then we can solve this one. This is given 18 divisible by 3 by 4. So how we can solve this division which you given? We have to change this into multiplication, then we solve this one. Okay, how I can tell you? Let's take an example. I hope you will know about it, right? When the 18 is here, denominator will be always 1. I hope you know. So I will take another example, like this is a 2 by 4 divide by 6 by 8. Okay, let's suppose this is our question. First of all, let's understand. You have to understand the concept, then you will do anything in very easy way. Okay, so now this is our question. So how we can solve this one? So for solving here, you first have to, what we have to do first, dear, here you have to, what you can do first, this division is there, this division symbol you have to change into the multiplication. So you have to write 2 by 4. 2 by 4 will be same, and this division going to be in the multiplication. Now we will take this part as a reciprocal. This becomes when you convert division into the multiplication, this part will be changed. When this is a division, why I change it, why I changing division into multiplication? Because this is a rule of the fraction division. When it is in the division, you have to change into the multiplication, and when you change into the multiplication, it's this part this part will be changed. This you have to take this part reciprocal, it's become upper and this become lower, so it become like that, 8 by 6. Okay, that's why we are learning here reciprocal, that's why we learn here reciprocal. Okay, are you understand what we have to do? If it is simply, if it is given, okay now, so simply if it is given like that, okay, if it is division here, if it is division here, what we can do, you will write 2 by 4 directly, and this division will change into multiplication, and this part you have to take reciprocal, we have to change this part 8 and by 6. Now we can solve this one. Okay now, so now what we can do, we can cut it, 2 ones are and this 2 threes are, it crisscross, it can cut. Now we can cut crisscross, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, now it will crisscross, it will cut not. So 2 into 1, that's going to be 2, 2 into 1, that's 3 into 1, that's going to be 3. So this is 2 by 3 is our answer. So this exactly we can do like that. Okay, so let's find out this question. Okay now, so this is our first question here. Let me I find the answer of this question, then we can go here. Okay, so see this question, so I'm going to solve this question. So 18 always it is 1 here. Okay na, so don't worry about it, I will write 18 is to 1. Okay, and this is in the division. When we change division into multiplication, it is going to be multiplication, and this 3 by 4 become 4 by 3. Okay na, this become 3 by 3 or 4 by 3. Okay, now it become like that. Now what we can do, we can crisscross, we can cut. Okay na, so this is 3 1 ja, and in the 3 table 16 is 18 is also there into 6 time, in the 6 3 are 18. Okay now, is it clear? This is going to be 6. Okay, now will you cut 1 and 4? It is not possible, but answer will be same only. So now we can write like this, this is going to be 6 into 4. Okay now, this if you do like this is like that. Okay now, so it is not possible. So what we can multiply 6 into 4, that's 24 by 1, and you already know when the 1 in the denominator, we directly write as 24 only. So the answer is 24. So this is our answer. Okay, simply it is. Now we are going to solve this question here also. So let's see this is 8, write the 8, and it is also in the downwards 1 here. Okay, it's always. So now it is in the division, change into multiplication, and this part become change, so it become 3 by 7. Whatever the part will be up or down, if it is 7 is the up, it become down, and 3 the down, it become up. Okay, we always remember, when it is in the division, we have to change into the multiplication, and when you change into multiplication, this part will be changed. Okay na, is it clear? Right, if it is clear, so now what we can do, so here we cannot cut 7 and 8, it cannot divide. Okay, and here 3 or 1 by 3 it is can divide, so the answer will be 3 only, because 1 table 3 is going to be in 3 times, so it is also no need to cut. Now let's see, this 1 or 8, it will be same, 8 will be answered. 7 or 3 we cannot cut, so here there is no option to cut anyone here. To divide there is no option, so we directly multiply. 8 into 3, that's going to be 24, and 1 into 7, that's 7. Now see, in 7 table this 24 is there? No, 24 is not there. So this is our final answer. So you can say 24 by 7 is our final answer. But you know what you can do also, a lot of time I see that you can convert into the mixed fraction also. Okay na, so you can convert this into the mixed fraction, right? Okay, so let me convert this into the mixed fraction. So if you divide 7 into 24, you know that this is 7 3s are 21, so the answer will be 3. So you have to write first this one, so you can write first this one, that is going to be 7. Then second you have to write this one, this is 3, and this 3 will be in the last one. Okay, when you multiply 3 into 7, that's 21, 21 into 3 plus 1, that's this is into 21, 21 plus 3, that is our 24 by 7. Okay na, is it clear? Right, so this is our final answer. So this is our final answer. Okay na, now so I'm gonna solve this question again. I'm going to solve this question here. So for solving this question, what we have to do, so this is divisible by 3, leave it like that. Okay, and now let's convert this mix into the just normal fraction. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, that's going to be 7. How I'm doing? 3 into 2, that is going to be 6. Okay, now this is 6 plus 1, this one, that is going to be 7. So that answer will be 7 by 3. So we have to write here 7 by 3. Okay, what we have to write? We have to write here 7 by 3. Okay, it is clear, and we know that always 1 is here. Okay, so now what we can do here, so we know that now we will change this one. So here we can write 3 by 1, and this is division is there, it is going to be multiplication, and this 3 by 7 by 3 is there, it become 3 by 7. Okay, now we can multiply because this crisscross, this and this, it cannot divide. Okay, 1 and 3 it can divide, but the answer will be 3 only. So 1 and 3 if you divide, the answer will be 3 only. 3 and 7 it cannot divide, so directly we can, what we can do, we just multiply that one. Okay now, so 7 into 3, that is going to be 21, and this is not 21, I multiply crisscross, it is wrong. So what we have to multiply like that. 3 into 3, that's going 9, that's going to be 9. 1 to 7, that's going to be 7. So this is our answer. If you convert into the mixed fraction, if you convert this into the mixed fraction, what is the answer? 7 by 2. So you can write like that. First you have to write 7, then you have to write 1, then you have to write this 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, this is our final answer. I hope it is clear. So now let's see, now let's solve this our last question here. Okay now, so this is our last question about it. So let's solve this question. So we have to write 5 directly like that also. 5 divisible by, now we have to change this one, 3 into 7. Okay, 7 into 3, that is going to be 21, and 21, and this is 4 plus 4, how much? It is 25 only. Okay na, so we have to write 25 by 7. What we have to write? 25 by 7. Okay, we will write 25 by 7. Okay, is it clear? Now what will happen here, it is always 1 here, we know that. So now we can write like that, 5 by 1, and this is division, it is going to be multiplication, and this part will be changed, numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. Like 7 is the downwards, it go to the upwards, 25 in the up, it become down. So this is 25. Now let's see this one. By, we are going to cut 5 1 and 5 5, it will divide. Okay, we, you know, when we divide in multiplication, we can divide crisscross, otherwise straightly we can divide. We cannot do like that from this way we can multiply. Okay, but like that we can divide. Okay na, remember this portion. Okay na, so right now we solve this here. 1 into 7, if you divide, that is going to be 7 only, so no need to divide, right? And again we will write this one, this is going to be 1, this is 1, this is 1 and 1, and this is going to be 7 and 5. So now let's see, here division is not possible. Okay na, here division is not possible. Sorry, this is going to be 7. So 1 and 5 if you divide, that is going to be 5 only. 1 and 7, that is going to 7. So exactly whenever we 1 into 7 if you multiply, that's going to be 7 only. 1 into 5, that's going to be 5 only. So the answer is 7 5, and when you write this into the mixed fraction, it is going to be 1 by 5, and that's go 2. 1 into 5 into 1, that's 5. 5 plus 2, that's 7. Okay na, that's why. So this is our answer. So you can see like that. So generally this is our answer, and I hope it is clear to you, and if it is clear, then it's very well, and if it is also not clear, then you can tell to me. Okay. So right, we will go through this question. Now in this question, what will happen, same problem will be there. Here you don't confuse, here it is 1, so here we will convert like this, here we will convert this one, so here it is not going to convert this one. Always we have to change this portion only, always we have to change this one. Don't think like that, because a lot of students think that, oh my god, this is a 3 here, so we cannot change this one, we will change this. This is wrong, you cannot change this, you have to change this part, you have to always change this part. Okay, remember. Okay na, so now let's solve this question also. So in this question, what will happen, we have to write the question. So this is 2 by 5 is there, we know that always 1 is here. Okay na, so always when number is like that, so always in the denominator 1 is always there, but it is not looking. If you write 3, so 1 is not looking, but always 1 in the denominator. But if I write like that, then don't think the denominator is like that. If you cannot write directly 3, it is wrong. When it is 3 is there, you can write 3 by 1 by 3, but when it is 1 by 3, you cannot write 3, because 3 means this is going to be 3 by 1 only. Okay now, you will understand. So let's solve this question, then you will understand this one. Okay, so here what we can do, here it is 2 by 5 is there, write 2 by 5, and this division is there, it is going to be multiplication, and this is 3 by 1 because we already know that here nothing is there. Okay, this is 3, no nothing in the denominator, but it is always 1 here, so now it's become 3 by 1. Okay, I write again this one here because you will understand more better. This is division only, let's think this is division. Okay na, and this is 3 by 1. So now what we'll have to write, we have to write this is 2 by 5, this is going to be multiplication, and this upper part become lower and this lower part become upper. Okay na, so numerator become denominator or denominator become numerator. We have to change, always we have to change this part only. Okay na, so we have to write 1 by 3. Now let's see, is division is possible. 2 into 3, will you cut? No, we cannot cut. 1 into 5 we cannot cut because answer will be same. Up and down, 2 and 5 you will cut? No, it is not possible. 1 and 3 you can cut? No, you cannot cut. So it is not possible. So when division is not possible, so we directly multiply that. Okay, so we are going to multiply 2 into 1, that's going to be 2. 5 into 3, it is going to be 15. So our answer is 2 by 15. This is our answer. Final, this is our answer, right? You cannot convert this into the mixed fraction because you cannot divide 15 by 2. So you cannot convert this into the mixed fraction. Okay, right. So now let's see this question again. So this question is given, so we will write here 7 by 8, and it is always 1 here, we know that. So it is going to be division only, and this is going to be 5 by 1. And now what we can do, we can write 7 by 8, and this division become multiplication, and this 5 by 1 become 1 by 5. Okay, it can change. If it is 5 by 1, so when you take reciprocal means upper part become down part and down part become upper part. It means that this upper part is numerator and this down part is denominator. So numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator, so it become 1 by 5. So I make it like that only, 1 by 5. Now let's see, division is possible here. So let's see, will you divide 1 and 7? No, it is not possible. So if you can divide 1 in it, but it will be in the 8 times only, so we cannot do like this. 7 or 8 it can divide? No, it is not divide. 1 and 5 can divide, the answer will be 5 only, so it is also no need to do that one. Okay na, so it is not possible. So by crisscross multiplication or straight, it is not possible, so we will leave like that. What we can do, we just multiply that. 1 into 7, that's going to be 7. 8 into 5, that's going to be 40. So here also we cannot write this into the mixed fraction, so answer will be like that. So this is our answer. Okay, so we are going to solve our last question. So this is our last question here. This is 4 by 9, we have to write 4 by 9, and this division is there, we have to change this into multiplication. Okay, and this 4 by 5 is there, it become, when you take 4 by 5 reciprocal, it become 5 by 4, because this down part go to the upper one and the upper part go to the in the downward. Numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator, so this 4 by 5 become 5 by 4. Okay na, I hope it is clear to you and you don't have any doubt. Now we will see, will it divide or not. So let's see, this 4 and 4 will divide. This is 4 1 ja 4 1 ja, it can divide 4 1 ja 4 1 ja, but 9 or 5 it cannot divide, so leave it like that. Now see what is left here, it is left 1 by 9 cross 5 by 1, so the answer will be 1 only na. So just imagine like that, imagine. Okay na, so it is not possible. So what we can do, we can multiply. So 1 into 5, that's going to be 5. 9 into 1, that's going to be 9. So 5 by 9 is our answer. Okay, so this is our final answer of third one. I hope it is clear to you. So now we are going to see this third question. From 5 problems is similar to question 1 to 3 and solve this one. From 5 problems is similar to question 1 to 3 and 4. Okay, so you have to choose the 3 questions. Okay na, both are equal. Okay, right. From the 5 problems, each similar to the question 1 2 3 and solved. So generally dear, what we have to do, we have to choose 3 questions. Okay na, from the our this one. Okay, from this one you can choose 5 questions. Okay, so let's choose first one here. In this one we will choose first one, and in this one let's choose that's going to be in this one choose anyone which is looking something good. You can choose any number, any problem in this one, like we can choose what we can choose the first one question, okay, and choose this first one question, okay, and in this one choose this one, okay, and write this one. Like this is given 5 by 8 and 18 divisible by 3 by 4, and this one 2 by 5 divisible by 3, okay. What you can do, you can write this here, and you can whatever, write this 3 question. First question right here, second question right here, and third question right here, okay. I already tell you, you can write this question also, this question, right? Solution is already there. Write this question and write this question, because solution is already I written now, so no need to write. I will not need to write, I already take it out. You have to write these questions and write the answer, okay. So let's come to the fifth question here. So this is our fifth question, which is the last question of this exercise. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 of a houses in one day. So Deepak is painting how many houses? 2 by 5 houses in a single day. Deepak is painting. So the question is asking, if he continue walking in the same rate, so how many days he will take the paint to the whole houses? In whole houses, how many days he will paint? Okay, so this is a very important question, and this is very interesting question. Lot of students confuse how the answer will be, okay now. I explain this, what will be the answer of this question. Let's see. So the first question is that, so let's see, the first question is that, let's write the question here, Deepak, okay na. I will write Deepak. So here Deepak paint, okay, let's write this. Deepak paint 2 by 5 house of house, okay na, a house in a day, okay, this is right. So what we have to find, so we can write to find how days he will take to paint the whole house, okay, whole house. So this is our question. So what we can do here, so so what we can do here, so divide. What we have to divide, we have to divide one, you can say whole house. One means whole house only, one means whole house by 2 by 5. Let me explain this question. So Deepak paint 2 by 5, okay na. Deepak paint 2 by 5 houses in one day. In one day, how many houses he painting? There is only one house now. How many houses are there? So there is only one house, so, and he is painting 2 by 5 in a one day. So he is painting 2 by 5 in a one day. How many houses are there? There is only one house, and Deepak is painting how much? 2 by 5 houses. Deepak is painting 2 by 5 houses in one day. So to find how many days he will take to paint the whole houses, so divide 1 into whole houses. Whole houses means there is how many houses? There is only one house, that is 1, and he is painting 2 by 5 parts of the house in one day. So how many days he will take to the paint this whole houses? So when we divide the one houses by the painting the parts of one day he is painting, then we find out the answer. So this is given 1 and 2 by 5. So how we can write this? So when this change, it become 5 by 2. That's going to be 5 by 2. How it is happening? And this become the 1 by 2. Actually here what will happen? This numerator become denominator, okay na. This one this upper part become, okay na, this upper part become here in the downside, and this part become going to be upper side. So if you have doubt, so sir, if you change this, then the answer will be like that only na. So if you change this also, so the answer will be like that. But why you write in here 5 by 2 and 1? So dear, generally remember, when the anything in the fraction, if it is here, you can see I explain this in the detail why I write like that, because so here this is in the fraction, this is 1 is there, 1 is directly come here, that's good, but this part is in the fraction. So when the fraction go to the upside, it become change, it also change. So when it is going to be upside, it become 5 by 2. Like if I write 2 and then I will write this 2 by 5 in the fraction. So if it is change, okay, let's suppose this is a 3 only, this is 3 or this is 2, this is 3 or this is 2. When it is change, so this part will be also change. We have to when you take the reciprocal in such type of things, so it will also change. So this 3 by 2 also change, it become 2 by 3 and the part become 1. Like that it is change. So like that here it will happen, this is 1 and 2 by 5 is there. This 1 become denominator and this become up, it been going to up, but this is also in the fraction now, so it is also going to be changed. So it is also changed 5 by 2. This part is the fraction, yeah, that's good. This is also in the fraction, so both will be changed. So first this upper part will change, so this become 1 and 5 1 and 2 by 5, but this is also fraction, so that's why it is also changed. So 5 by 2 directly I change. So generally how if you change, like this is 2 by 5 and when this part will be changed, so it become 2 by 5 and 1. So directly it is looking not good, so directly I changed. How? So first we have to change like that. Okay, let's change this, then it will also change. So this is like that. Okay, 5 by 2. This is our answer. Okay na? So what is our answer? Remember, whenever like another we can question see, this is like 2 and this is going to be 6 and 5. So when you write this, when you have to write in the reciprocal, so how you will first change this one, then it will also change. So this will change 5 and 6, it's going to be up, you know that, and this become down, that's good. But this is also in the fraction, so this is going to be up and this is going to be down. So this is going to be 5 by 6, this is changed, first this change and then it is going to be up and this is going to be 2. So like that. Okay na? So this is our answer. What is our answer? So we can write like that also. So this we can write directly 5 by 2, or when you divide this 5 by 2, it become 2 by 5, or when if you write in the fraction, so you can write 2 2 and 1. Okay, 2 to 1. So this is the answer. So how many days he will take to paint this house? So you can write number of days is 2.5 days, or you can write 2.5 days or 2.5 day, 2.5 day. Okay na? So this is our final answer. I hope it is clear. Don't be confused, this is a very easy question and you will confuse about this one only. So I explain, if it is fraction, so that part is also in fraction, so you have to convert this fraction. So I converted and then I can be okay. So this is a reciprocal things. I hope it is clear to you and you don't have any doubt. By the way, if you have any doubt after the I'm solving this, after the telling all the doubts, if you have also doubt, then don't be confused, you just leave a comment for me. Okay, whenever you getting doubt in the like reciprocal also, if you are getting doubt, just tell your doubts to me. I teach definitely I teach reciprocals to you, because this is an exercise session, so I tell you. So that's the hope you understand. But then after also, if you have any doubt in anywhere in mathematics, so you just give a comment and definitely I solve your doubts. Okay, so let's meet on the next video. Jai Hind.